In this video we will go over the changes to accessing contacts in iOS 18. Recently Apple changed the location of the Contact Account menu. First we will cover where this menu used to be. In iOS versions older than 18 you can go to the Settings app, scroll down to Contacts, then press Accounts. From here you can add, remove or manage accounts. The spot on iOS 18 is slightly different and is less obvious. Like before, go to Setting and scroll down, this time to Apps. Then tap on Contacts. Then tap on Contact Accounts. Like before, from here you can add, remove or modify accounts. If you want to add a Google account or prevent contacts from syncing to iCloud, this is where to go. Thanks for watching our video. You can subscribe to see our videos on the latest tech topics.